3 free ways to manage Amazon PPC. One of them you already have. The free tool every seller already has. Every Amazon seller gets access to Campaign Manager, the foundation for sponsored products, brands, and display campaigns. It covers bulk operations, basic reporting, search term analysis, and bid adjustments. Its limits: no historical trend visualization beyond 60 to 90 days, no cross-campaign analytics, no automated rules. Amazon just made this free to Amazon Marketing Cloud, previously a paid feature for many advertisers, became free and self-service for sponsored ads advertisers. Amazon also introduced an ads agent, a conversational AI that sets up campaigns and handles basic bid optimization natively, at no cost. This raised the baseline of what free actually includes inside Amazon's own ecosystem. A third-party option that's actually free, not a trial. Ad Labs offers genuinely free tools for bulk campaign creation, keyword research, and bid optimization, not a time-limited trial. It connects directly through Amazon's own advertising API. It supports sponsored products, sponsored brands, and sponsored display campaigns, with no per-account limits even for agencies. Start with what's built in before paying for more. Amazon's native free layer got significantly stronger in 2026. Many paid tools now have to prove they beat what's already free. If you're just starting PPC, Campaign Manager plus AMC Access covers real ground before spending anything. Add a third-party free tool like Ad Labs, only once you hit a specific limitation the native tools can't solve.